And today's crappy stock of the day, totally kidding. So I wanted to change things up. Today's stock that skyrocketed after reporting earnings is Dell. Dell reported earnings, beating both earnings per share and expected revenue. And I'm going to be talking to you on why it gapped up. The two previous videos that I uploaded, which a lot of you guys gave me some positive feedback. I've been talking about stocks that are either extremely overbought or oversold, that have skyrocketed or that have absolutely crashed. It seems like you guys really like these videos, and if you do, just let me know down in the comment section. And of course, I obviously appreciate when it is that you guys subscribe. But as you guys can see, Dell Technologies aftermarket hours is up 19.36%. And if we look at why it was that it gapped up, let's look at their financials first. The overall earning report that was released today after the market closed came in at an earnings per share of $2.20 versus the forecast of $1.73. Revenue expectation was 22.16 billion, came in at 22.32. Nothing too crazy on this side to justify a 20% jump. But why? Why did it gap up 20%? Very simple. This is why we look into to get that question answered. So what they announced was they increased the expectation for the annual dividends. This means that investors that hold this stock over a long period of time get paid a quarterly dividend payout, right? And the really great thing about this is on the annual dividend side, they expect to get paid more. This is very encouraging for potential investors that like to make money off of dividends to potentially drive more demand for those that want to invest in Dell to receive more dividends as time goes on. So I can 100% see why Dell saw a nice push. Now, is this an overreaction? You guys can let me know down in the comment section. But if you look at Dell, Dell has been a really consistent stock for quite some time. You can see the end of 2022, we bottomed out like most of tech did, and then we began to indicate signs of an uptrend. And it's been higher highs and higher lows since then, right? It's from lows of $31 a share to highs of now we're trading in the 100s, because now we're going into the aftermarket trading session, and if you check this out, aftermarket, we are up to 113. So I can't even show you how much it's up overall because the chart doesn't even go that high because of how much it gapped up today. So it's a 20% jump, and this thing was already a $67 billion company. Now it just increased by a 20% valuation. So over a 200% return in just the past 2 years, and I'm all here for it. Now, again, this is not a stock that I would be super open to shorting, right? A lot of you guys like talking about or like me to talk about different stocks that I would potentially short. Dell is a different kind of monster, right? It's been consistently bullish, and direction has been always in its favor for the bulls. Now, yes, could this thing correct itself a little bit? Sure, but true direction for Dell is bullish, and I have to respect that, right? The opportunities that I like to short myself are crap companies that become very overvalued within a short period of time that have a true bearish direction that will return back to its previous pattern once that hype dies out. Even if the hype ends up dying out and it does retrace, this thing's still incredibly bullish. So it's only a matter of time for it to catch up. So because of that, I wouldn't be the biggest fan in potentially shorting this. Overall, NASDAQ market was fair. It went back to retest that same resistance level, and we'll see how we end it tomorrow on Friday. Are we going to end up making new highs for the overall NASDAQ and S&P 500 market, or are we going to begin to pull on back? And also, I'm paying attention to Bitcoin, because now Bitcoin is actually doing something that it hasn't done in the past few days, and that's showing signs of a support at the EMA line. This is the first significant pullback that we've seen from highs of 64,000. And if Bitcoin begins to trade below that 60,000 mark on the 1 hour time frame, that would be the break below EMA, and we might enter an active sell-off. That would be amazing, because I would love to open up a short on coin, but I want to wait for that confirmation, and I'll keep you guys up to date. Also do want to remind you that our 10x multiplier for the Corvette giveaway is ending tonight at midnight, so you can head to shoptechbuds.com or click the fourth link in the description down below and buy anything to receive that 10x incentive, because tomorrow you'll go back to that 5x multiplier. So you're going to have to spend twice as much to get the same entries as what you can get today. So what 10x means is every dollar you spend equals 10 entries. So $10 you spend, then you get 100 entries. Make sense? So head on over to shoptechbuds.com or the fourth link in the description down below if you want to enter for your chance to win. But also, I hope to see you for our live trading session tomorrow. And if you want a 50% off discount, that's the fourth link I'm sorry, the second link in the description down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about Dell inventories. Hope that earned a thumbs up. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.